WooCommerce Website Builder Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. WooCommerce is a powerful website builder designed specifically for creating and managing online stores. Built on WordPress, it's tailored for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and even larger e-commerce operations looking for a highly customizable, scalable solution. The platform offers a vast range of features, including an intuitive drag-and-drop interface for designing your site, seamless integration with WordPress themes, and robust tools for inventory management, payment processing, and shipping options. Key strengths include its flexibility. Thanks to thousands of plugins and extensions, you can add nearly any functionality, such as subscriptions, memberships, or multi-vendor marketplaces. WooCommerce is open source, which means you have complete control over your store, from the design to the back-end coding. However, this flexibility comes with a learning curve. It's best suited for users who are comfortable with WordPress or willing to invest time learning the platform. While the core WooCommerce plugin is free, additional costs can stack up with paid themes, extensions, hosting, and developer assistance if needed. One notable downside is that it can be resource-intensive, so choosing a high-quality hosting provider is crucial to ensure optimal performance. Overall, WooCommerce stands out as an ideal choice for those seeking complete creative freedom and scalability for their e-commerce store. However, it may not be the best fit for users seeking an all-in-one solution with minimal setup, like Shopify.